Wagwan! Yeah, so they're back. Idiots are back.
Someone's back. Where have you been, Thomas? Give us a smile.
It's
Look at that little face.
So, Jack's done a purchase and he's got no brakes, so he's done a purchase and he's bought some Mk7 Golf R calipers and discs and all the shenanigans. His CV joint's leaking and he's drove to pick the brakes up and he's got a vibration when turning his car left. So the CV joint possibly is broken, but it's leaking as well as it's got the vibration, so more than likely all liquids come out in it and it's not being greased properly. So new CV joint for Jack, new CV boot, set of brakes, discs, braided lines, race fluid.
You're not going to tell him?
What's that?
You're not going to tell him then?
Oh! So Jack phones me this morning, he goes, I've got these brakes, I need to look at discs that have come with it because I don't think they're all good. So I checked brakes aren't good. So I phones up for price at discs and pads, and Jack's like, that's like twice as much as what I thought it were going to be. So I'm like, it's definitely not, it's 100% right, like my part supplier uses usually wicked. And then he showed me what he's trying to buy and he's trying to price it off one disc. So Jack didn't know that you can buy one disc on its own. He thought that when you bought a disc, it comes as a pair of two.
Let me know if you think the same, because I've been driving 8 years. I've been fucking about with cars that whole time, and maybe I've just like been sheltered this entire time.
Sheltered from buying things.
Nah, fucking if anything, that I'm very unsheltered from spending in this fucking garage.
Your wallet is sheltered.
My wallet has been permanently open since I've met you.
I wish it were. So yeah, today's job is put some nice brakes on his car, put some discs on it, put a CV joint on it.
Putting some better brakes on, because for the price of doing, like, replacing these, I thought I might as well just go a bit bigger and have a bit more confidence in the car and some nicer fluid. Size-wise, this is how they are. Obviously, you might remember when we actually put them on, like, you can't actually see them outside of the wheel. So we might actually see them this time.
It's funny, it's had no fluid in it, it's been leaking, no grease in it, it's been leaking. And that started making a noise. It's just too
convenient.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Hopefully it's that, because it's like little things like that make you lose confidence in the car. And obviously it kicks on at 70. I do a lot of motorway miles, like up and down. Like I've done 2 trips in the last month to go and get parts. I come to Tom's a couple of times a week, and like I spend a lot of my time on the motorway.
As you might not believe, Jack don't work here like people think.
Tom would be happy if I worked here, and then when I did work here for a week, you were fucking sick of me, and I was fucked.
Hold that.
Freshly on, just the most disgusting bit of this job to go.
What's this? Can't talk this week, mate. I'm just that jet lagged.
See his new teeth.
That's worse bit and all. My teeth hurt. I'm like, you should have seen when I came back from Turkey and I landed at Alex's. Alex's mum was like, you can't talk right.
What, the first time?
Yeah, no, the first time and this time. So obviously your teeth are bigger in your mouth, aren't they? So I'm still trying to get used to it.
I don't know, mate. I'm not as rich as yourself.
You should spend all your money on
shitty
broken cars.
No, see, this is the difference. I spend all my money here. That's why you can afford new teeth.
But whose fault's that? You're an idiot.
I'm admittedly, yeah.
Well, I say this all the time, the worst customer for me is a customer that listens. Because if you listened and like, oh, don't do that, do this, do that sound, cars never come back ever again. But when they don't listen and they put other bits on. Car brakes.
Yeah, but we've not done anything twice on this.
No, but I tell you
R32.
I said don't buy a Mk7 Golf because they're shit.
You said buy Lucas's because it's alright. It's full of potatoes and you wanted some. You wanted mash that day, I think.
Went on Nando's. Oh, speaking of Nando's, there's a new thing. Have you seen that?
No.
Nando's chips that are like got all stuff in them.
What, loaded fries?
Loaded fries, but Nando's.
I will try them.
Eating only though. CV boot, I don't know.
Hopefully I'll start vibrating like Tom's mum's favourite toothbrush at 1 in the morning.
I'll tell her when she gets here.
You don't need to, she'll see this video. So in about a week's time, just book your funeral in then. The gun is dying.
Jealous.
2 batteries. 2 batteries, 2
Bar.
2 bar. Of those.
Old. New.
Pretty decent, like, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely going to be better.
100%. Yeah, make new calipers and that then.
So this is what I've ended up going for. Some Mk7 R calipers. The person I had them before painted them red for some reason, and they've done an awful job. As you see, it's missing the little covering plate. One side all done. Yeah. Nice new brake lines on one side. Shiny new disc. Tom's doing the other side.
So this is a common problem working on old shit cars. That's it. You try cracking this nut off, that's on the brake line, and obviously the brake line's, fuck me, come on spanner. There we go. The brake line is cracked off, but the fitting seized onto the line. So you have to wind it and snap it, or modify it. So, big mods inbound.
So this one came with that on. I don't know. It's obviously Tom reckons it's been gouged against something because it's
No, it's been used as a grinding post.
Yeah. So new ones of them on the cards. I've been delegated to press the brakes because Tom don't trust me because I said pass me the drill and I'll do it, but he said don't be stupid. Bombastic side eye.
The bombastic side eye.
The bombastic side eye.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side.
We've moved on from Rastafarian children's TV now. Need a new meme.
We need a new one. Boomba! That's it.
Yeah. Oh, I was going to try and do something then.
Right, pump brakes up.
I'm going to try and put my foot through the window and go on foot today, but I'm not that flexible. Not as flexible as Tom.
Right, hold it.
From what his uncle told me. Uncle Carl in the pub shed.
Right up, 300 quid up bill. Down. And he watches these videos and also, so we're going to fill you in after. Down.
Yep.
Up.
Yep.
Down.
Yep. I feel like him off Storage Wars. Yep. Yep. It's a fairly niche reference. All sorted so far. We've just got to put it on and test it.
Don't fit. You sausage. You sausage.
It does fit, doesn't it?
Yeah, it fits.
Stop playing with my emotions. I've had a scare. Oh, you can kind of see them. Not fantastic, but you can see that there is a break there now.
If you want, I'll get angle grinder and we'll just chop them
we'll
out.
Or if we do like one in every like 2.
Can do
It's
that.
even,
Or
isn't it?
we'll do a Ken block and just paint one orange.
Yeah. Right, car has been reversed successfully. They stopped. Tom is good mechanic. My brakes still work. This has been rattling a bit and it's been doing me head in a bit. But it's still looking sexy, sounds good, looks good. Tom's off his game then. Normally he'd reply like, thanks.
Pains in my mouth.
When you can't brake, it's a big stress. And we've had some other stresses today, so that's why it's not been like the most thorough video. But obviously, we took it out on a test drive. We've popped down to see Charlie at Perrin. Obviously, Tom's had something going off with his car. You'll see that in another video. We'll go into that in more detail. There's some big stuff coming on Tom's car, so keep an eye out. We've been down to Perrin today, had a word with Charlie about some stuff. Bedded the brakes in, we feel a lot better. Obviously, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, because we've just put the basic set on. So, this is okay for now. Like, I just wanted a bit of confidence back in the car. I'm dying of tonsillitis, by the way. I'm not very well. I'm not in a good way. If you know me...
Oh, sorry, I'll just play my little violin.
Oh, sorry. If you know me or Tom, And you know, we don't really like to replace, we just like to upgrade. Hence why I thought for the same price as doing another GTI set, I might as well spend a little bit extra and get the Mk7 ones.
Not just that, you can get some Club Sport discs on them,
Yeah.
and then get like a ceramic pad kit like what I put in Wayne's car, and they stop like, is it like 500-600 horsepower? So
obviously if I want like 380, 400 out of this, like I've kind of future-proofed it a little bit. Obviously you can go one step further, like obviously with you can get the two-piece discs like the Club Sport, which are like the faux two-piece where they're just drilled out centre. I could even go Billy Big Bollocks and get proper two pieces if I want to. So I've got a good bit of pad choice. Obviously Golf Rs, you can get quite a lot. You can get your carbon range, you get your EBCs, you get your Pagids, you get your Ferodos. Like I can pick what I want. The Brembo's for now alright. The main thing for me, I think, is the fluid. Like having better fluid in, I can actually put my foot on the brake and it stops. It's alright for now, so I can focus on other things. So this has been on my mind a bit. Obviously sorted the CV joint out, that stopped the wobbling. Obviously we took it on a test drive. We were out driving it for about an hour. No more wobble. The wobbly orange, no more wobble. So we're good. So I just want to say thank you for watching. I am wearing a new hoodie.
he's a twirl then.
So these are a bit more simple than the TC Performance Bellmans ones. Me and Tom can release these if you like. Basically, this is our newer design. A bit more subtle. Obviously a logo that we've designed, and obviously it's part of the channel branding. But it's a bit more subtle. You can wear it no matter what. It'll raise a few questions as well. No, missing incorporate, what the fuck is that? That's what's gonna happen. If you want an OD, let us know, we'll sort it out. I might do a pre-order, I think. Do a nice little pre-order, save some users a bit of discount. We're not gonna just keep repeating the same designs. I'm gonna think of some new stuff. Tom's gonna think of. Hope you did enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your wives. Most of you probably don't have wives if you watch these videos. Hope you do. Good for you. But yeah, some nice stuff coming from the Mark 5 soon. Some sick stuff's coming for Tom's cars. Maybe the Mark 4 will return. Who knows? Enjoy. Thanks for watching.